Hi, I'm Natali, and I believe that kindness should be beautiful. What if we built a home for abandoned cats that looks like a dolphin? It all started with a chance discovery in a small village. These cats needed more than just food. They needed a home that inspired hope. I chose a dolphin shape, a symbol of grace and protection, to create a sanctuary that is as beautiful as the act of rescue itself. Today you'll see the whole process, from that initial discovery to the realization of this daring, beautiful idea. Let's get started on this wonderful journey together.
I heard there's a ghost in that house.
Let's go see. Do you hear that?
Yeah, let's go.
Wait, do you hear that? Those are cats!
Oh my god.
There are so many of them! We have to help them.
I know how. We'll build them a home.
Please check all of them. We want to make sure every cat is okay.
Of course. We'll examine every one of them.
It's okay. You're safe now. I mean, we're here with you.
Easy. Just a moment. You're doing so well. Shh. It's okay. I've got you.
This house has been buried for too long, but not anymore.
We're going to clear every inch of this place and give it a fresh start.
We're giving this structure its true shape, piece by piece.
Every line has to fit perfectly before the final weld. Every line has to fit perfectly before the final weld. Everything has to fit tight and clean. No gaps, no mistakes.
This is where it finally starts to come alive.
This is the moment it stops being a project and becomes something real. Every curve has to feel natural, like it was never built.
Now it finally looks the way we imagined it.
Every piece has to lock in perfectly, or it won't hold.
Sometimes you have to tear things down to build something better.
This is where the place starts to breathe again.
This is exactly where I'd want to stay. Now it finally starts to feel like a place someone could call home.
It's these small details that make it feel finished.
If the frame sits right, everything else will follow.
Now it starts to feel alive. Now it feels like glass.
Look at that shine.
Now it looks alive.
Let them swim.
It follows the shape.
Start with the base.
Now the levels come together.